This is my family.
Good morning! Ay, no. Hello, YouTube! Ano na, tanghali na eh. Nagluluto ako ng nilagang pata. Ang favorite ni Papa. Uy, rhyming yan ah. Kumusta ka? Masakit ang ulo nitong anak ko eh. Kumusta ka? What? Okay? Masakit lalamunan. Masakit din. Oh my gosh. Pero wala kang lagnat, no? Sige. Kain ka nitong nilaga. Sabaw. Napanood niyo ba yung video ni Ariana Grande na kumanta siya ng I Have Nothing? Ang galing! Ang galing! Talaga yung reaction ko. Ang galing. Ang galing niya. Anyway, dahil na-inspire akong kumanta, mag-ano ako ngayon. Mag-video ko Mag-video ako. Wala akong... Asan na ba yung songbook? Nanguhula lang ako dito.
Listen as your day unfolds, challenge what the future holds. You gotta be bad, you gotta be bold, you gotta be wise to love. You gotta be hard, you gotta be tough, you gotta be stronger. She used to be my only enemy, never letting me be free. Catching me in places that I knew I shouldn't be. Okay, thank you. Next song. Bakit walang echo? Bakit walang echo? Give me some echo, please. Echo, echo, echo. And if you shot a star, then somewhere you are thinking of me too. If you looked in my eyes, would you see what's inside? Would you even care? I just wanna hold you close, but so far all I have are dreams of you. So I wait for the day and the courage to say how much I love you. Yes, I do.
Yung song? Listen.
Am I real? Do the words I speak before you make you feel? And the love I left for you will see no ending. Well, if you look into my eyes, then you should know.
Ice, ice, ice.
When I first saw you, I already knew there was something inside of you, something I thought that I would never find. Angel of mine, I looked at you, looking at me. Now I know why they say the best things are for real. Gonna love you, boy, you are so fine. Angel of mine, how you changed my world, you never know. I'm different now, you helped me grow. Nothing means more to me than what we share. No one in this whole world could ever compare.
Wait nga lang, lulukot ko muna to. Wait lang. Sarap yan.
I hate the world today. You're so good to me, I know, but I can't change. Try to tell me, but you look at me like maybe I'm an angel underneath. Innocent and sweet, I'm a little bit of everything, all rolled into one. I'm a bitch, I'm a lover, I'm a child, I'm a mother, Put a gun against his head. Pull my trigger, now he's dead. The time has come. Sends shivers down my spine. Body's aching all the time. Baby, see you working hard, I wanna let you know, but I'll let you know what I'll do. The more I need to assure you, my life would be processed without you. Let me cater to you, cause baby, this is your day. Do anything for the man, baby, you blow me away. I got your sleepers, your dinner, your dessert, and so much more. Let me cater to you, inspire me from the heart. Can nothing tear us apart? You're all that I ever meant. I put my life in your hands.
Break time, kain tayo. Parang kala niyo po. Kain tayo. Tingnan niyo yung pechay, oh. Green na green. Yung binili ko organic na pechay. Mas mura siya kaysa sa yung pechay na hindi organic. Sabi ko, bakit yan? Mas mura yung organic. Di ba dapat mas mahal yun? Pero dito sa Rob, mas mura yung pati yung patatas na nabili ko, organic. Mas mura talaga siya. Nasa-stress ako. Parang ngayon palang nagsisink in na buntis ako, na magbabago na naman yung buhay. Magbabago na yung buhay namin. Natakot ako na parang hindi kami financially capable, dalawa ni kids. Parang ang daming worries. Nag-aalala ako na baka hindi namin kayanin. Tapos, syempre, nagpapaaral kami. Parang ang dami kong iniisip na iniisip ko si Jaya. Baka, syempre, pati siya maapektuhan, sacrifices, diba? Parang, oh my God. Parang ngayon parang nagsisink in sa akin na yung pagpaplano na ito na, buntis talaga ako, tuloy-tuloy na to. Parang nung umpisa kasi parang na-enjoy ko, wow, buntis ako, ganyan. Hindi ko pa naiisip na what will happen in the next few months. Lalo na pag nanganak na ako. Parang, ang dami na talaga pumapasok sa isip ko. Naguguluhan ako. Pero alam ko kaya namin to. Nag-aalala lang ako masyado, pero dapat hindi ako nasa-stress, hindi ako nag-aalala ng ganito, pero hindi ko mapigilan na hindi mag-alala. Syempre, sana ganun ulit kagaya ng dati. Normal pa rin yung delivery ko. Natatakot ako mamaya mas-CS ako. Mas lalo kaming hirap. Mas lalong mahal. So scared. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Takot ako. Ay, nako. Hindi ako dapat nagaganito kasi ayoko. Dapat hindi ako nasa-stress. Pero alam ko everything is going to be alright. Pray lang and have faith. Alam ko, everything will be alright. Pasensya na kayo, nag-vent out lang ako kasi nasa-stress talaga ako lately. Anyway, that's it for today's vlog. Pasensya na kayo. Tomorrow, I'll get my ish together. Good night. See you tomorrow. Bye! Yung pink niya na... Ang tawag dyan? What do you call that? Yung pink niya na goggles, hindi na namin alam kung saan niya na iwan. Sayang. Wala pa namang name yun, no? Ba't color blue yung lips mo?
Di ba nagpa-Powerade?
Yeah, yung Powerade. Talaga.